Options traders. If you're placing large orders, then this feature will help you scale faster and most importantly reduce the impact of many unseen problems like slippages and market volatility. धन ने इस problem का simple solution design किया है and it's called iceberg orders. By using iceberg orders, traders can divide their large orders into smaller disclosed quantities, executing only a portion of the order at one time. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि why should I use this feature? And most importantly, iceberg order से क्या benefit मिल सकता है? So as a part of its risk management systems, stock exchanges have issued freeze quantity limits for stocks as well as futures and options. कोई भी order placed by a trader जिनकी quantity is more than the respective set freeze quantity limits, systems में orders punch करते ही उनके orders automatically reject हो जाएंगे by the exchange. Most traders जिन्होंने scale up कर लिया है अपने options trading को, वो ये prominent problem face कर रहे हैं while placing large orders. उनके ऑर्डर्स सीधा रिजेक्ट हो जाते हैं एंड वर्स्ट इज उनके हाथ से बड़ी ट्रेडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिस हो जाती है, जिससे शायद लाखों का अपॉर्चुनिटी लॉस हो सकता है. बिग ट्रेडर्स यूज आइसबर्ग ऑर्डर्स इन एग्जीक्यूटिंग लार्ज ऑप्शंस ऑर्डर्स without significantly impacting the market price and revealing the full size of their orders. This approach helps to maintain liquidity and prevents sudden price movements caused by the execution of a large order. इतना ही नहीं, by hiding the full size of the order, traders can minimize the impact on the market and avoid drawing attention from other participants जो शायद बड़े orders को देखते ही attempt करें to front run or take advantage of the large orders. धन के ऐप पर login कीजिए and let's say you want to sell 4,000 shares of Bank Nifty of a particular strike price. अब बैंक निफ्टी में फ्रीज लिमिट है 900 शेयर्स की, which are 36 lots. This means अगर आप 4,000 directly sell करने जाओगे, तब ऑर्डर सीधा रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा. So instead, you can use this feature of iceberg order, which will basically slice the orders into 900 shares per order. The system will fire the order in the following manner: 900 shares into 4 orders, 200 shares into 1 order. Total of 4,000 shares in 5 different orders, but सब साथ में ही order place हो जाएगा. There's no need to individually place 5 different orders. Iceberg orders can be particularly beneficial in options trading because options market में काफी बार liquidity can be lower compared to the underlying stocks. By using iceberg orders, traders can navigate the options market more discreetly and reduce the likelihood of slippage or adverse price movements due to their large orders. तो आज ही डाउनलोड कीजिए traders का favorite धन ऐप और अपने options trading की जर्नी को lightning fast और hassle free बनाइए.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.